Okay.
Ryan is learning a new trick tonight of... What are you doing, Ryan?
Trying to spit sunseed.
Sunflower seeds.
Ow.
He's trying to break open the sunflower seed in his mouth.
Good job. Get the other part of the seed out.
Wait. Where did I put it?
What?
Do you have another seed in there? Oh. What'd you do?
I don't know where I went to it. I think I already bited it.
Okay, try it again. Do another seed. No, you can't put it. You gotta do it without your hand. Because baseball players spit sunflower seeds. You're a baseball player now.
What the heck, Ryan?
Is that bugging your...
What could be taking so long?
You got it. Good job. Let's see, get the other part of it though. All right. You got the seed?
Hey,
Oh, there it is. Right there. See, there's the seed.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
You did it. Is it worth it for all that work?
Is it fun to chew sunflower seeds and spit them?